Hey friends, it's me Tekibrutu. Welcome back in another video. Today I'm going to unbox the Realme, which was launched by Oppo, and it's a good smartphone. I will talk to you later in this video, so let's get started. So friends, this is the Realme that we get the main unit. So let's get unboxing. First, the Realme branding is here Realme 1 it is written, and here all the specifications are written as you can see. Yes, and it supports true dual 4G voltage. So let's unbox it. Here has written Oppo. So let's by removing this plastic and the seal. Oh no, how to remove that seal? Yes, and the seal is broke, and now slide it, and here we get the Realme. It is written. It has a TPU case, as you can see. It's a TPU case. Realme and Oppo somethings. This is the manual and warranty. So let's keep this aside and take us the main unit. Here comes the main unit. It keep this aside. This is the main unit. We'll remove a plastic. Yes, the plastic is now removed, and oh wow, the color is very brilliant. As you can see, it reflects. Let's remove this. Let it reboot. Till now, we will look at the inbox. In the box, we'll get a micro USB cable and a type adapter. This rating, as you can see, it's 2 amp. You get a normal micro USB cable, as you can see. Let's reboot this device and see. Till I will tell you the specifications. It has the 4 GB RAM and 64 GB of internal storage, and it has two SIMs and one micro SD card support. It has a 13 megapixel rear facing camera and 8 megapixel front facing camera. Yes, and it's now booting, and it has a Helio P60 processor, which is really good for this price range, and it also beats the Snapdragon 636. Till it boots, let us wait. And as it's booting, let's select the language. Next, we'll skip it. Terms, continue, and here more, agree. Face, yes, settings. Will 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. And I will now scan my face. As it's scanning, and my face is now scanned. Okay, continue, continue. Yeah, and it's showing 5, so let's get started. Wow, the UI is awesome. I liked it. And we have now set it all the infos, so let's get into the UI. The UI is pretty quite good, and it has all customization options. That's the color OS. So let's see about phone. And the color Android version, it's running on 8.1, you can see it. And the color OS version is 5.0. And let's check the storage what we are getting. Storage, we are getting 64 GB, we are getting 50 GB of the storage, and 1.14 GB is used for the RAM. And let's test the camera. Let's take the quick snaps of these objects. Let's turn the bokeh mode on and check. The shutter speed is quite good. As you can see, this is the bokeh mode image. This is the bokeh mode image, and this is the normal. This is the bokeh, and that was the normal one. I've checked this camera before, and it's quite good. It has many customization options, and expert mode is that the manual mode. You can set anything as of your wish, and it has various types of filters, as you can see from here. The camera is quite good. Let's check the video resolution that we are having. We are having the maximum 1080p, and it has all Google apps pre-installed. In the tools we are getting recorder, compass, and all. And it has the 18:9 aspect ratio body, as you can see. And the back is made up of fiber, and I have put it the cover. Let's talk about the overview. It has your SIM slot, power button, your speakers, your phone jack, and a micro USB cable, and your the volume rockers. It has Amazon as the pre-installed app, as you can see. WPS Office and Facebook are pre-installed, and it has lot of bloatware. So that's all for now. And now we will see the RAM management. First I'll open all apps and close them. And all are asking for permissions. Now now we'll check. Wow, that's quite good. The Helio P60 is doing its process. All the apps are stored in the RAM. As you can see, it's open faster. Yeah, it's quite good. The RAM management is good on this phone. Thank you for now, guys, and we will see you in the next video. Click the subscribe button and hit the like button if you like the video, and let's get